So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view places with a gym here on Expedia. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Expedia application. Once that is done, either go to the search tab, which I'm on right now, or go to the bottom left and press on home, and then go to stays in the top left or in search, doesn't really matter, but regardless, press on stays. Now once you're on stays, select your location. So for this example, I would just press on New York City right here, then go to the bottom and press on search. Once the initial results have came up, to filter it even further for a gym, go to the top left here, press on the filters icon located right beside popular on the left hand side. Once you're on sort and filter, just scroll down until you come across amenities right here. And if you're looking for gym, for example, make sure that the gym icon right here, so the dumbbell is selected, is highlighted, I guess, and then go to the bottom, press on done. Now the listings that you're going to be seeing right now will actually include a gym here for you in Expedia. So super duper simple, super straightforward. This is how to view places with a gym on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.